Hey there, snack lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going on an exciting journey of sugar sleuthing, as we uncover hidden sugars lurking in your favorite packaged snacks. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more delicious and healthy content. Now, let's get started. Picture this. You're at the grocery store, eyeing those seemingly healthy snacks, but little do you know, they may be hiding a sweet secret. It's time to become a sugar detective and decode those tricky ingredient lists. Look out for sneaky names like high fructose corn syrup, dextrose, or even evaporated cane juice. Now, let's investigate some common culprits together, shall we? Our first suspect, granola bars. They may appear healthy with their oats and nuts, but be cautious of added sugars or syrups that can turn a nutritious snack into a sugar bomb. And next up, flavored yogurts. These creamy delights can be loaded with added sugars. Opt for plain yogurts and add your own fresh fruits for a healthier and tastier option. The infamous energy drinks. They promise a boost, but they often hide excessive amounts of sugar behind flashy labels. Stay energized with natural alternatives like herbal tea or infused water. 1. Always read the ingredient list. 2. Watch out for hidden names of sugar. 3. Consider healthier alternatives. And 4. Moderation is key. Remember, our mission is to snack smart and make informed choices. Stay vigilant, stay healthy, and we'll catch you in the next video. Until then, keep snacking smart.